Hi guys, it's Tiffany. I was trying to figure out what I wanted to do for my next project. So I was looking around and I started looking through my stickers and I saw this sticker. I went, that's it. Rainbow. I wanted to make a rainbow. So we're going to make a cute little trinket tray. And I'm going to do rainbow colors in it. And then we'll probably put this sticker in after it cures. All right. So I've already cured. I've already mixed up my resin, and I will be separating it into 3 cups. But first, I'm going to add a little bit of white because that's going to be part of all of them. And this is a sparkly white here to help give all the colors a little shimmer. Along with this, which is like a little diamond shimmer. So we'll add some of this. We're going to make a very shimmery, rainbow-looking trinket tray. We'll see if that's enough. Get this mixed together. All right, it is cured. Well, I'm not really seeing a rainbow here, but I love how the colors are. Just gives that feeling of, the words that come to mind for me are soft and tranquil. All right. All right, let's see what's on the other side. Oh, not much. Okay, just kidding. All right, let's go ahead and demold it. See what we have on the other side. Oh, yes, definitely a sparkly tranquil. Just very tranquil. The colors are there. You see the pinks, the yellows, the blues. In some spots, because the blue and the yellow combined a little bit, you've got more of a green, a little bit of orangish. I see a little lavender from the red and the blue combining. I love that. I think that is so pretty. Just so soft feeling. Let's see what we can do here. I know originally, I think it was this one I saw. I was like, ooh, rainbow. But I think it needs to be something, I don't know, maybe a little calmer. I had pulled out some others just in case. Just in case I wanted to have more than one. Oh, I like that. I think that's pretty. What about this one? Maybe. That one. I like that. Should we have them going two different directions? Maybe something like that. Okay. I'll pick up these other stickers and get them out of the way. Okay. Oh, I think I need a little bit of tape. That'll help peel the back off. There we go. So pretty. All right. Now then, I will go ahead and mix up a little bit of resin to pour a top coat over this. All right. Get that done. Be right back with that resin. All right, I'm back, and I've mixed up 20 milliliters of resin. Basically, I just want a little top coat. So let's go ahead and pour it in place. I just want a thin top coat So it will protect these two very pretty stickers so they don't get scratched off at any point. They'll be completely sealed and safe. I'll just go ahead and push it right up to the edge there. Help move it over. Make sure it makes it all the way to the edge. There we go. Oh, a little bit over here. There we go. Make sure there's no bubbles holding on to the sticker edges. I don't notice any bubbles. I just want to make sure, just in case. Because this is so pretty. I'd hate for a bubble to mess it up. No, I don't see any along the edges at the moment. And yes, me adding this little layer of resin in here to cover up the stickers, it does make it where it's that much shallower, but I don't really need much of a lip. I would much rather the stickers be coated and there not be as much of a lip. So there we go. Alright, we'll let this cure and we're done. What do you think of it? I think we can basically call it done right now. Did you see everything exactly what it's going to be looking like? Once this is cured, I'll do a couple pictures for you, alright? A little bit different lighting maybe. I just think it's so pretty. That diamond glitter really does wonders with those colors. I think it's beautiful. What do you think? It's just it gives me a very relaxing, happy smile. Those are the best projects, the ones that make you want to smile. So let me know what you think. Do you like it? I know it's not the bright and colorful rainbow. We'll do that one another time. I'm really happy that I did it the way I did it, because that's why it came out the way it did. I think this is perfect for what I needed this week. I hope you need something nice like this too. I'll do a couple pictures for you once this new layer of resin is cured. Thank you. See you later, guys. Bye.